Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can change your SIM pin on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. For that, we need to go to our settings, and now we need to go to security and privacy. Here we want to scroll down to other security settings, and now we want to go to set up SIM card lock. You want to have this enabled, otherwise if you lose your SIM card, others will be able to just put them in their phone and then use the SIM card without unlocking it. And we want to go to change SIM pin now, and here we have to put in our current SIM pin, and now we need to put in our new SIM pin. Retype that. SIM pin changed successfully, so if you now need to start your phone again, you need to put in your new SIM pin. Keep in mind that 1, 2, 3, 4, 4x0, stuff like that are not the most secure options. You want to be a bit more creative here to actually secure your SIM card and your phone. So that's how you can change your SIM pin on your Galaxy A05s. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.